about the Kami extension for Google Chrome. This is an extension that you can download onto your Google Chrome browser. You can get it right from your web browser. You can go to the Google Play Store and download it right from there. It's pretty easy. Doesn't take very long. So once you have it, it is now in your browser and you're able to use it on your computer. There is a free version and a paid version for this extension. The paid version is for educators. My school currently has the paid version and it is pretty handy. However, the free version is there for students, so students do not have to pay for it. But if a school or educators would like to have the full access and ability to use Kami, they do have to pay for it. With this app, you are able to connect to Google Classroom directly and use the extension with your Google Classroom assignments. And like I said, this is a free extension for students to download, so they're able to have the extension on their computer. Then they're able to complete their Google Classroom using the extension. So there are a lot of cool features on Kami. One of the features I like is the speech to text. So this is using the microphone in the computer to create text rather than typing it. So this is really great for students who struggle with typing their answers. So this is something that I have used a lot for my students in my classroom. Another really great feature is the drawing tool. So you are able to draw directly on the PDFs that you upload. So students can use the tool to draw on their assignments. They can do pictures. They can use the tool to write if they would prefer to do that over typing. There's also the text box, so they can type anywhere on the PDF that you upload. So they can type anywhere on the assignment, which gives you a lot of flexibility and freedom that way. You are also able to customize PDFs. So this is a feature that I use a lot when creating documents. I upload an assignment that I would like to use for my class, and I'll upload it on Kami, and I can take out certain pages that I want. I can also edit the pages. I can add words. I can take words out. I use kind of the white coloring tool a lot to cover certain text I don't want, and then I'll type over it to modify assignments that I didn't create. So if I get something maybe from Teachers Pay Teachers or somewhere on the internet that I want to customize a little bit, I will use Kami to help me do that. You're also able to work collaboratively on PDFs. So with other teachers in your school, you can work on PDFs together. You can also leave comments for students with Kami on their assignments. And if you have the paid account, you can leave video comments, which is pretty cool. So I have Kami pulled up here. So this is the first page that you see when you pull up Kami as a teacher. You can open your assignments from wherever they are, from Google Drive, OneDrive, computer, however you want. You can make a completely new blank page that you can work with, which is really nice. This split and merge feature is really nice because that is how I kind of divvy up my PDF form sometimes if I only want to use certain pages. So I'll use that feature a lot. Here I have an assignment. This is an Earth Day assignment I used this year. If you take a look on the left, it has all of the features. There's a text to speech, which is really great too. So it'll read the words aloud to students, which is really awesome. It has a markup tool, comment tool, the text box where you can create text box and customize it how you would like. There is the speech to text voice typing feature, which is really great to use. There's an equation feature, the drawing feature I was talking about. shapes, eraser. There's a lot of really cool stuff you can do, and this is a PDF, so PDFs are more difficult to customize than like a Google Doc or Word doc, so that makes that pretty easy. And yes, that is all I have. So thank you for listening to my presentation. Thank you.